Okay, what's up, guys? So, Sidemen has uploaded a video on their More Sidemen channel, which I didn't even know that they had a second channel to the Sidemen channel and things. I just thought, like, this was just their side. I thought this actual Sidemen channel was, like, the only thing, but I seen More Sidemen. I'm like, well, I gotta check out the videos on there, too. So, anyways, they uploaded a video titled Sidemen Hide and Seek on a private jet. And when I looked at that little like GIF that they showed when you hover your mouse over the video, they looked like they were blindfolded. So I'm like, yeah, how like a private jet ain't usually that big. So like, how do you do that? But I mean, like kind of looking at it, it looks a little bit big. I don't know, but let's just see what goes down. So anyways, yeah. Let's go ahead, watch these guys probably hurt themselves because if they're blindfolded, a good like toe stumping could happen, but if they wearing shoes, then they should be okay. But anyways, who knows? So let's go ahead, check out this video. Make sure you go subscribe to Sidemen and each individual Sidemen's YouTube channel, and I will talk. I'm sitting here at the end of the video and I haven't even watched it yet. Alright, let's just get into this video. That's why I'm like, what happens when the intro and the outro are just too similar. Like, I need to change up some things, man. No, what the? No, why would I just subscribe to them.
Welcome back to More Sidemen. We're doing a hide and seek on a private jet. Obviously,
that's where you know you have money.
Yeah, you're seeking.
You out here playing childhood games on a private jet.
I'm 715, kept a weapon on me. Blow make bitches, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gonna be. Crew in the cut.
Hold on a second.
Stack chicken like what.
For a split second, I thought that was Trisha Paytas. I'm like, bruh, something ain't right with this. But like, we ain't gonna just go past the fact Trisha Paytas is on the. But I had to look a little closer. I'm like, hold on a second. Like, I had to like zoom in, do some Terminator stuff with my eyes, and like, you know, confirm that ain't her. But I'm like, a good stunt double. Like, if Trisha Paytas was doing some like James Bond movie, they should on a private jet. They should really call her up.
What it's gonna be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Where are you hiding?
What am I hiding?
Yeah.
You're looking at it.
10,
So, okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
What the fuck are you going to... We gotta stand and keep moving the whole time. You're gonna sit there the whole time.
I'm just staying here.
It's like all he could just do is just walk around with his arms out. Look, man, just follow. Like, you gotta.
Oh, I got someone.
See, it's like it's so easy.
Get me! Who is it? Simon? Yes! Yes! But now what? Because do I just keep going? Okay. Let me pass.
Well, he didn't even. Did he not get him?
Are you? Oh! I feel more. Yes!
I was about to say, how do you not get him?
Found another. All right, 2 down, 4.
He's definitely. Yeah, he's definitely gonna get him. Watch. He's trying his best.
Wait, what? I saw I spotted someone here. Oh, who's this? Yes, I found someone. Wait, is that 1 or 2?
It's me, lad.
Oh, it's you.
I'm coming past me.
If you get caught,
This is
by the
Ethan
way,
coming past me.
Yeah, we get caught, go out. Who's left to get? You've got JJ, Josh, and Toby.
I swear, if he does not get KSI, bro.
Oh, it's you again. Oh, dear.
It's.
Oh, I got someone. Who's this? Oh, it's JJ.
How could you tell?
Your hair, lad. Your hair. Right. Is this still you?
He's just chilling. I feel like KSI, he ain't even playing in the game. He's just sitting there just chilling.
Go for me, fam.
Oh, fuck's sake.
like the angle on that camera. I mean, dang, you don't even know what you're looking at, really.
Marco. Marco. Oh, I got you! Fuck!
Wow, did he still not get?
Alright, who's left?
Wow.
Where's Josh? Just Josh. Can I have a clue?
Fam was right there next to him. I thought he already got him.
Marco.
He's gonna be so confused. Oh, you can't sneak past him.
Marco. He didn't say it, so he must be near here. Oh. Yes!
I'm about to say, fam, if you don't get him, man, you suck at hide and seek.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Right, round 2. What's the game?
What's the game plan?
What's the game plan?
We're looking at it.
There's fucking nowhere to go, bro.
I know it's like it's such a small like thing. If it was like one of those like big like jumbo jets and stuff, then yeah, then that would be a game. Like, or even like, well, then again, like a regular airplane. Oh no, I had to like if it's like, let's say it's like that plane from Snakes on the Plane. I think then after like plane had like 2 levels or something like that. Yeah, if it's like a plane like that or one of them like cargo type planes or something, then you got yourself a game. But a private jet, like,
I just got someone's dick!
you could play Uno on
I
that.
just got someone's dick!
No, you were close. It's fine. You're fine.
You're very girthy, Zerka.
Dang, his butt, dang.
I'm really trying right now. My shoe! Why is there a shoe? Ow! 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 I can't defend myself! Anyone in my spot? I've got a wide wingspan, nobody's getting past.
It's like if dude, well, I just started thinking of like if dude trips and falls and hurts himself, then that's it. Then it's like what, like how, like what do you do at the end of the games? Honestly, the game's over. Game is over. Can't play no more.
Someone behind you. What the hell? Yes! How? Because he said it's just him here. Oh, you dog! What's that? What the fuck? What was that? What did I touch? What is that? That's someone's head.
This is like the touch my body challenge that they had going on what, a couple of years ago, last year maybe.
Run.
Dude doing the same thing all over again.
You were at this end of the plane.
KSI is just enjoying himself though. He's like, I don't care. I'm just out. Look, he about to hit him in the face with the.
Ow! What was that? Who's this? Is this me again? Why are you there? You're hiding someone. Oh! JJ, really? You just sit there. Who's left? Harry's left. Ethan's left and Ethan. Marco! Hello! Harry didn't reply.
Try to like maneuver. They ain't even like away.
Marco! Hello! Ah! Stop getting Harry!
Fam is like right in his like head.
Hello!
I like lay down on the seats. No, he put his arm down there.
Marco?
Dog, come on, wait, no, wait till that hand goes over the table.
I got you!
Dang, he was close.
Marco? Hello. Hello. Where are you?
Like hide behind the backpack. Good. Because he'd never guess. Oh, no, wait. He feeling something.
Marco?
I swear, they play one more in KSI. I swear.
Strong.
I swear.
Yeah, okay.
What's the game plan?
I'm going to try and switch up a bit. And stay at the same spot.
Good tactic.
You see, he's never going to think that I'm going to do that. It's like 3 times in a row? Surely no. Yes.
You ready?
He just wants to get caught.
I need to go further down.
Toby,
Yeah?
where do you think JJ's going to be hiding?
Probably in the same spot.
Oh.
Ready or not, here I come. Who's this? Pushing my hand. Oh my god.
That would be pretty fun, though. I guess, like, something to just kill time.
We're starting at the back, so if you're next to me and I'm walking past you, don't worry. I can hear you breathing. Who's this? Alright, one down. What's this? Just need to catch my breath for a second. Feel a bit dizzy. Alright. So JJ was there.
What does his shirt say?
No, not that. Promise. Swear. Yeah, it's just me. Swear on your life. Yes. Okay. Oh! Why did I have to go first?
Like, television killed.
Oh my god! I can't stand up. I can't stand up. Are we turning? Are we turning right now? I feel sick. Go right, go right, go right. Ah! Go right, go right. Go right. What does that mean? Oh
That was wow.
Hey, it's me, it's me, it's me. I'm hearing lots of laughing.
He was fast about it, too. He didn't even care if he hurt himself.
I hear you, I hear you. Who's this? Who's this? Me. Yeah. Hey, who just climbed over? Who climbed over?
Ethan about to get caught.
Ow. Sorry, I just punched someone in the dick. Someone's
Television killed your vision. Ah, I see. Okay. That's actually pretty
there. Are
creative.
you sure? There's no one else. No, no, someone's here, someone's here. Oh, my dick!
Dang.
Sorry. Oh, I like brush. Sorry. Oh, who's here? Come in. Did I just grab?
You found a flight attendant.
Oh shit, that's my bad. That could have been awkward. It's time to. Oh, my round's ended. Okay, wait. Okay.
I know. She just said that could have been that could have been, yeah. He could have net checked her, then that dip. Whole game's over. They land in the jet, then they gotta go and take a, yeah. That. I mean, hey, stuff happens. I'll be like, listen, we didn't know. Like, that's your fault. But I mean, I'll take the blame though. But it's, I'm like, if the like, please don't punch me in the face.
Is that it? Sorry. Oh my god. Hey, Marco.
She out here like getting involved.
Marco. Polo. Who's this bitch? Hey, hey. Polo. Fucking polo. Fucking polo. It's just Bob. Where's Bobo? Polo. Marco. Wait, everyone else stop shouting. Who's on the dick? Is that Harry wins? Fuck you, Harry.
Yeah, that does. That would seem like it'd be pretty fun. But then it's like, then other people getting involved. So, yeah, it's like that's why I gotta be like on a bigger plane and things, like, or in an area where it like You know, like that one place where they were like that haunted area that they were at. I think when was it, last year or the year before? Like that would be a good idea to play for Halloween hide and seek. But yeah, that would be a good place to play hide and seek and things. So yeah, it was good though. Like it was you know, it was going back and forth, but I mean it was a pretty good video seeing them guys all together and things. But anyways, yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I got like a lot of videos I'm trying to get done tonight, so I'm trying to just hurry up, get everything out the way. But anyways, yeah, make sure you guys go, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you guys go subscribe to Sidemen and each individual channels of all the Sidemen. And yeah, and then the official Sidemen channel. Like and subscribe to me too. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.